In this video, we're going to look at how to use Leather Repair Doctor to repair holes on any piece of leather or vinyl. You'll see how we took this damaged piece of leather and were able to repair it using our unique and proprietary liquid leather adhesive to achieve near perfect restoration, which is what you're looking at right now. Okay, so let's begin with our damaged piece of leather. First, always make sure the surface is clean and there is no grease. Next, you want to use a thin piece of plastic film or clear plastic wrap in the back or insert it into the hole to create a base for us to fill in the liquid leather. After that, you want to pick the right color or mix colors using the color match guide included in your kit. And you want to stir it thoroughly using a spatula or a brush. Next, we're going to fill in the hole with the adhesive by applying one thin layer about 1 millimeter and let it dry. Now, repairing holes will require a few layers, and we need to let each one dry for about 20 minutes before applying the next one. So the entire repair can take a couple hours. Now that it's dry, we're going to apply the second layer. In this case, it should be enough. But if it's not, then you want to let it dry and then add another layer. And you can add as many layers as you want. Just make sure you let each one dry in between. Now make sure the layer is leveled with the rest of your leather piece. However, what we're going to do here is we're going to leave a little lump with the adhesive being slightly raised above so that you can see how to remove the excess adhesive and even out the area if you put too much on it. At this point, we're going to set it aside and let it dry. Now that it's completely dry, we're going to use a nail polish remover, or you can use rubbing alcohol with a cotton swab, and we're going to remove any excess adhesive and polish the repaired spot to level it out with the rest of the leather. We're going to gently buff the area in circular strokes, moving across the seam back and forth to create a smooth and level surface. Once it's all level, we need to let it all dry. Okay, it's all dry now, and as you can see, we've completely filled the spot, and now we can create some texture by squeezing the leather piece with your hands. Now, if you're working on a piece of furniture or something you can't squeeze, you can just press on the spot with the tips of your fingers to give it shape and texture. In the end, we have a fully restored piece of leather.